Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of healthy foods. What are healthy foods, you ask? Well, they are foods that provide the nutrients you need to stay well and energized. Let's explore some of the best healthy foods you can include in your diet. Garlic. Garlic is not just a flavor enhancer, it's packed with health benefits thanks to allicin. Its active compound. Allicin is known for its potential to reduce the risk of heart disease and manage cholesterol levels. To maximize its benefits, add garlic towards the end of your cooking process. Garlic not only tastes great but also helps keep your heart healthy. Eggs. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse, providing almost every nutrient you need. They're especially rich in vitamins D and B12, as well as iodine. Plus, they're a complete protein source, containing all 9 essential amino acids. Opt for omega-3 enriched eggs for an extra health boost. Enjoy them boiled, scrambled, or as part of your favorite dish. Lentils. Lentils are a fantastic source of plant-based protein and fiber. They're packed with phenolic compounds, giving them antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and cardioprotective properties. Regularly eating lentils can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes, obesity, and heart disease. Use them in soups, stews, or salads for a hearty and healthy addition to your meals. Pomegranate. Pomegranate juice has an antioxidant activity 3 times higher than red wine and green tea. This translates to impressive health benefits, including reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Add pomegranate seeds to your salads or enjoy the juice for a refreshing and healthy treat. Nuts. Nuts like hazelnuts, walnuts, almonds, and pecans are excellent sources of plant protein and healthy fats. They also contain monounsaturated fats, which can help reduce the risk of heart disease. Enjoy a handful of nuts as a snack or add them to your meals for extra crunch and nutrition. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and kale are excellent sources of fiber, vitamins, and phytochemicals. These compounds may help prevent some types of cancer. Add these veggies to your meals through steaming, roasting, or adding them to soups and salads. Avocado. This nutrient-dense fruit is an excellent addition to your diet. With just half an avocado counting as 1 portion of your 5 a day, it's packed with monounsaturated fat, vitamin E, and folate, all great for your heart. Plus, it offers more soluble fiber than most fruits and contains essential minerals like iron, copper, and potassium. Slice it up for your salad. Spread it on toast, or blend it into a smoothie. Avocado is as versatile as it is nutritious. Brussels sprouts. Next on our list are Brussels sprouts. These little green gems supply more essential nutrients per calorie than most other veggies. They're rich in the plant compound camphorol, an antioxidant with numerous health benefits. To retain their nutritional goodness, try microwaving or steaming them instead of boiling. Add them to your meals for a nutrient boost and enjoy their delicious, slightly nutty flavor. Yogurt. Yogurt is a great source of calcium and protein. It also contains probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that can protect your body from harmful bacteria and improve digestion. Enjoy yogurt on its own, with fruit, or as part of a smoothie for a nutritious and gut-friendly option. Leafy vegetables. Dark, leafy vegetables such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, and various phytochemicals. They're also a great source of fiber. Add leafy vegetables to your salads, smoothies, or sauté them as a side dish. Kiwi. Kiwi is unrivaled for its nutrient density and health benefits. It helps increase good cholesterol, reduce blood triglycerides, and manage blood pressure. Plus, it's delicious. Add kiwi to your fruit salad or enjoy it as a snack for a refreshing, nutrient-packed treat. There you have it. These are just some of the best healthy foods you can include in your diet to stay healthy. Remember, a balanced diet with a variety of nutrients is key to maintaining good health. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on healthy eating. And let us know in the comments which of these foods are your favorites or if you have any other healthy food